Hello traders, right, as you know from my Twitter feed and these last few videos, I keep messing them up. So apologies for that, and also apologies, hopefully there is something worth watching in them. I think there is, personally. Um, but let's hope I get better. This is why I keep practicing. It's because I'm working with a new recording software, OBS. They tell me it's better, so I'm going to persevere, but I wish I was just using my other one for the time being. But and also I'm noticing, if you're noticing the video quality, it's because when I edit them, which I don't want to necessarily do, of course, it's time wasting, but that's my own fault. The quality is goes right down because of the video editor not being OBS, and the size of the files goes right up. So it's a work in progress. My fault. I've got to make sure I get it in one take and don't keep messing up. But the reason for this video is not that massive long apology. It's actually because this 3CR down gave us a beautiful, beautiful reversal to the upside. Long term, this should be a long reversal anyway. Um, 3CRs are technically a bearish 3CR is a bearish potential trade, but a bearish, and I've only mentioned this once or twice before, but it's very important at the point of this video, is a bearish 3CR in a bullish swing uptrend is actually a very high probability setup, if you like, to take it long. So, and this is actually, it formed that M1 2B reversal, and it's now getting into forming an M15, M5, and so on and so forth. And we'll see that in a moment when I drop down. But, look at this 3CR here. We can see we are bullish because we're above zero with the MACD. So we should be looking for, and that's H4, remember. We should be looking, and this is just a pullback against a massive, massive move. Everything we've got is on our charts. The TMA is telling us we should be looking for longs. Any shorts are just pullbacks against the higher time frames. And the RSI is telling that. And look at this one. Monster move. I mean, once again, we have to look carefully at what times these moves are happening in relation to market opens in the USA and so on and so forth. But 3CR up, and then once we've spiked up for whatever reason, the market opens and so on, massive pullback down. So another extremely valuable um, uh, reason to have Aaron's fantastic indicator on our charts. They might not initially seem like a particularly good strategy. 3CR down, 3CR up, and there's a 3CR up and the move down. Sorry, I didn't point out the right 3CR trigger, as it were. So let's have a look into this this M15 potential here. So there's VIX low on the 15-minute chart. This is the level that we should be considering trading later on. If it gets up there, break it with a close, and then just watch the low time frames. It'll either pull back deeper, or we can continue up when we get a perfect set of triggers like this. I mean, we were talking about bust, pullback, break, and close. Look at the high of that, 36.29, and I can see that with my eyes. That 38.63, that's higher. Always double check these because they do change when you hover the mouse over. It's 38.63, like I said, and 36.29. So, and this confirms that too. This one didn't. It confirmed it later. Look, it's broken that high with that one. So a bar later. That's why I like to keep the two, because if I get that situation and that situation together and that situation together, you know what I'm going to say. So that's what we're waiting for over here now. And if it happens, that's pretty much a slam dunk. So as you can see, and then we've got another little 3CR in here. We had the M1, which we watched. That's that one. and this will potentially be another one here. Well, there's the 5 minute level there, and the break of the candle that breaks through that on the 5 minute was that one, so it coincides with the M1, and then as you can see, up it goes. So got a new turquoise arrow here. I'd have to do a whole new analysis before I was even considering that, because we can see it's a bit iffy because the MACD is below. So, but once again, guys, screen time will make you better and better at these. Gold is looking interesting again now. It's just, once you've got this and an Aaron's indicator on your charts and all the other stuff, you just all you got to do is watch it and learn from it. And 47,000 tweets on Twitter, posts on X, whatever you want to call it, says it all. But this is the 3CR. The point of this video is watch for those two guys. Another strategy. They're happening in front of your eyes. The reason I don't take these when I'm live on here, because there's no point. I've taken my trades. I've made my money. A few little bonus trades, but I could take those trades and make even more money. But you have to draw the line somewhere. I've never felt quite like this with my trading ever. So it can only keep getting better and better and better. So thanks for watching, waffling on a bit. Let's see whether we can get this one in one take.